Hey everyone, welcome back to Aries Communication, your trusted tech channel. Today we're talking about the brand new Xiaomi 17 Pro, the next generation flagship that blends power, design, and innovation in one incredible package. Starting with the design, the Xiaomi 17 Pro continues the brand's sleek and premium aesthetic with a refined aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. On the front, we have a 6.78-inch AMOLED QHD Plus display with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision support, making it one of the most stunning screens in its class. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 17 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, built on the latest 3nm architecture for unmatched performance and power efficiency. You get options of up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring buttery-smooth multitasking. And when it comes to gaming, this phone is a beast, with advanced cooling, adaptive frame rates, and zero-lag performance. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Xiaomi 17 Pro comes with a triple-lens Leica-engineered setup, a 200MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 50MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom. It captures stunning low-light shots and cinematic 8K videos. The front camera is a 32MP sensor that supports 4K video, perfect for vloggers and creators. Powering all of this is a 5000 mAh battery with 120W fast charging and 50W wireless charging, meaning you can go from 0 to 100 in under 20 minutes. It runs HyperOS based on Android 15 with improved AI features and smoother animations. So that's the Xiaomi 17 Pro, a smartphone that combines cutting-edge performance, stunning design, and powerful cameras at a competitive price. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aries Communication for more amazing tech and sound reviews every week.